Hi, Coda. Guess what we're doing today? Are we going to Corgi Beach Day? Yeah, good boy.
Coda.
When I say Corgi, you say Beach Day, Corgi. Yay! Good boy! Time for a photo shoot, Coda. Get ready for your close-up.
Too sexy for my shirt. I shake my little touch on the catwalk.
Good boy! You pose for the photos. Okay, so I've decided that I'm gonna record my voice while watching Coda's videos, and I'm gonna do my best Coda impression. Also, Glory might do one. Okay, this is Coda touring the facility and picking up slack. Yeah, that's good. Just fold that just like that. Whoa, don't point it at me though. Oh. I don't give you treats to poke me in the eye. Yeah, get back to work. No. Where are you taking that box? I said, get the tables on the other side of the path. They don't feed me enough for this. That was just my first attempt. You want to try one?
Alright. This is Coda getting belly rubs. Oh, yes, the belly rubs. Oh, yeah. This is so weird. Why are we doing this?
Okay, this is Coda meeting a baby for the first time. Wow, that's a weird looking dog. Why doesn't it have any hair? This is Coda drinks water and then gets a treat. Water. Time for a good snack. I sits, I get the treat. I sits and I get the treat. I sits and I get the treat. Ah! Oh, it's so good. I don't know.